Libo is on bordering of Guangxi province and Guizhou province, so you can see the surrounding. All these mountains are like Guangxi style. And I'm standing outside of Xiaoqikong Qiao. Kong in Chinese means holes or arches. So there's a bridge inside that has 7 arches. That's why they named after that bridge, Xiaoqikong Qiao. So let's see. So now I'm inside. Look around. Despite the weather is not great, but still there are many tourists. I can't even make my way by the lake. And check out the water. It's blue. And I asked the local guide. She said because inside the water there's some copper element, that's why it looks blue. And the water itself is very clear. You can see fish and rocks at the bottom of the lake.
How's it feel?
I feel cold, but I see some girls like wearing sexy dress. I admire them. Wow, look at this. Lots of water coming from nowhere. Looks like they're coming from some holes. Maybe this is small holes waterfall. I don't know. Let me have a look at the sign. It says 翠谷瀑布, which means Green Valley Waterfalls. And look at this mountain. And the waterfall comes from like a green, I don't know how to describe. Cut it. And actually, if you look closely, looks like the water coming out of some holes. Maybe that's why they call this whole place Small Arches Bridge. About 68 steps of mini waterfalls like this, and I counted at the beginning, but it's just too many, so I forgot to count it. But now look at this, it's beautiful. Water, it's like rice terrace, but instead of rice, it's water terrace. This is the day in my life I see the most waterfalls in one day. As I walk inside this park, first started the blue crystal-like water lake, and then after that, waterfalls after waterfalls, big ones and small ones. And this one is called Laya Waterfalls, which means a beautiful girl in Yao's minority language. So now it's 6:48 p.m. and after a half day wandering Xiaoqikong Qiao area, I successfully missed Daqikong. So, give you a friendly tip: if you want to visit both, come in earlier.